They are asking to write this algebraic fraction as a single fraction in simplest form. What you should understand here is when we factorize these numerators and denominators, there will be many terms that are going to cancel off. Let's look at one by one here. Now, some of you I saw in the beginning trying to take common denominators for the right side. It will be a waste of time. You will take more than hours to solve this little part. What you have to do here, when you look at the first two terms, what you can see in the numerator, you can see like all the terms are like square numbers 25, 64. So I feel like I can make difference of two squares in the first numerator. So I can write that part as 5x to the power 2 minus 8 to the power 2. And denominator, we have 5 into 6, 30. 30 are 10 into 3. So I am doing both simultaneously. 5x squared minus 10x minus 3x minus 6 into here 15. 15 are 5 into 3. X squared minus 5x minus 3x plus 15. And denominator I can't do much. So I just keep it as it is, here x minus 7. So let's try to what are the factors of this one? Difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared. You can simply write it as a plus b into a minus b. So here we can write it as 5x minus 8 into 5x plus 8 divide by, I think I did a mistake here. What we have to do, we can't take it minus 13 by like this because it will be positive. So these two factors in the denominator here would be, so I'm going to erase this part little bit here. It's going to be like minus 15 into plus 2. That is the better way to get factors. Minus 15x plus 2x. So here I think things will be changing a little bit more. What do we have? I'm getting here, when I take 5x out, here will be 3 and I get 2 out, so again x minus 3 into, here I will get x out, x minus 5 minus 3 out, again x minus 5, 5x plus 8, and still this part is just keeping as a outside part, or I'm not dealing with this later part. Now you can see, since it is a multiplication, these two terms, this 5x plus 8 in the first numerator and the 5x plus in the second denominator, they get cancelled off. So we are just remaining with 5x minus 8 divided by, we got x minus 3 times 5x plus 2 into, we have x minus 3 times x minus 5 minus x minus 7. Now you can see again some of these factors are going to cancel off, x minus 3 and x minus 3. 5x minus 8 into x minus 5 divided by 5x plus 2 minus x minus 7. Now I think it's time for us to get a common denominator and expand the brackets in the denominators as well. So I'm going to take 5x plus 2 here, up and down, here also 5x plus 2. In the previous case, if you are going to get a common denominator, there will be power 4 terms. It's a headache to be in such a equation. So what do we get? I'm going to get 5x squared, it's going to be minus 25x minus 8x plus 40. Here I am having everything, whatever the value I am going to get after solving the brackets, I have to multiply with this minus sign because it is waiting outside to be multiplied. It's going to be minus 5x squared, then we have 2x minus 2x minus 35x, so it's going to be plus 30. Minus 14, so plus 14. Divided by 5x plus 2. No more. See, these terms are going to sum of these terms. 5x squared cancelling off. What are we going to minus 25x minus 8x? It's going to be minus 33, is it? And that is also cancelling off. It's so, see here, this 8x, this is minus 33 and minus 35 goes with this plus 35. So 40 plus 14. How much? 40 plus 14. It's going to be 54. 54 divided by 5x plus 2. That will be the last answer. That will be your last answer. 54 over 5x plus 2.